Hi, my name's Faris from HTG Trading. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on, operate, and clean the CiBO Plus by TurboChef. Section 1, we're going to show you how to turn on and set up for operation. You're going to press this button and hold it, and you'll hear the beep. So when you load up the CiBO Plus, you're going to be greeted by the home screen. On here, you can see the options of recipes pre-programmed for you to cook. You have 5 sections with 8 recipes on each, giving you 40 recipes. You can change the sections by pressing on the buttons below. Each page essentially has a back version. By pressing this button here, you then get access to another 40 spaces for recipes. To change and customize these settings, we can go into the edit mode, which you get into by pressing the chef's hat here, which takes us to the recipe manager. To then change the programming, you just select the recipe you want to change, so you're greeted by the editing page. You can see here that we have access to customize the microwave percent, the impinged air, and the amount of time that each recipe is run for. There's also 4 steps, so you can change each event line to match the products that you're cooking. For example, cooking frozen products might require a step with more defrosting than impinged air. So to edit further, like the name or the image for the recipe that you've got, a rule of thumb that I like to use is if you can see it, you can change it. So here we're just gonna press on the image and it will take us to the selection that are already pre-programmed on here. And you can go through all of these pages and find the best image for your recipe. This, like the front page, also has a front and back side. Here we can see the temperature of the cavity and the temperature of the base plate. To change these, we just press onto it. This will edit for the entire section and means that all of the recipes in that section have to be cooked at these temperatures. It's our recommendation not to switch between sections that have different settings. So to save this recipe, once we've done all of our customization, we're able to just press the save icon here. It will take us back to the screen and we can see that we've now got our recipe. So now in step 2, I'm going to show you how to cool down the unit and the best method for cleaning. So this process is really simple. All we have to do is press this cleaning icon and the unit will tell us what to do from here. Once we open the door, we then let it cool to 50 degrees before we can then apply the cleaning spray and give it a scrub. So now that the oven has cooled to 50 degrees, the CiBO will let you know that it's time to apply the cleaner. The cleaner that it's referring to is either the TurboChef or HTG recommended brands. Essentially, they just need to be safe for any rapid cook oven. When we're ready to apply the cleaner, the only thing you need to keep in mind with the CiBO Plus is that we don't spray this up into the impinged air vents. So now when the cleaner has been applied, you can close the door, press this button and wait for 3 minutes. So after you've waited for 3 minutes, we can open this up and take a scrub, the soft side to wipe. So after we've cleaned and wiped all of the cleaner out of the oven, we can then close it. It's now time to remove the air filter. We can clean this by running water, just cleaning the marks on the outside. Once you've cleaned this, make sure you leave it to air dry overnight. Then you can just place it back onto the oven. And finally, you're ready to power down and just give the unit a clean around the outside. So that is how easy it is from setup to clean for the CiBO Plus. If you have any other questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to reach out.